Shake, shake, shake. Okay, shout out mga grade 11 students. Shout out din sa mga teacher na hindi math major pero pinapaturo ng general mathematics. Shake, shake, shake. Para sa inyo itong lahat. Actually guys, may nag-request sa akin guys. Teacher sa guys. Di pa tudlo sa general mathematics guys. Nadili pa siya math major pero sige lang. Sa hendra nga topic. Sige, atong pagbigyan. Okay? Okay, sa shoutout muna natin yung mga grade 11 students natin. Okay? This topic is under general mathematics. Okay, napakadali lang nito, operation on functions. Okay. Now, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea kung paano what is really the idea or overview about operation on functions. It seems like this. Diba? Like 4 fundamental plus minus times divide. So, 1 plus 3 plus 1 half. Di ba ang LCD nito is 6? Tama? So, ang mangyari, maging 2 na ito plus 3. So, that is 5 over 6. Tama? So, operation of function, i-combine natin yung dalawang function. It depends upon the operation. And the 5 over 6 is our new. Di ba? This is the combined function. Tama? Now, dito, Sir Javi, what if, Sir Javi, ganito na yung ating mga given? Okay? What if ganito na yung given natin, Sir Javi? Example, given the functions f of x, we have 3 functions here. For example, f of x is equal to x plus 5. G of x is equal to 2x minus 1. H of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Now, anong gagawin natin dito, Sir Javi? Ang question, ang tanong dito, determine the following function. Actually, marami pa ito sa next slide. Marami pa ito sa next slide. Okay, diyan. Dito, uunahin natin quantity of f plus g then x. Ito guys, it is the same with f of x plus g of x. Meaning to say, kukunin natin yung sum ng f of x and g of x. Tama? Ano ba yung given natin sa f of x? Di ba ito, x plus 5? So, i-substitute lang natin yan, x plus 5 plus, kasi plus yung operation, then yung value ng g of x na 2x minus 1. So, atin lang yan i-plus. Then dito, combine like terms. Okay, combine like terms muna tayo. Ang x and 2x, ipakita lang natin, 2x, then 5 minus 1. So, x plus 2x, that is simply 3x. Then 5 minus 1, that is simply 4. Ito yung ating sagot. 3x plus 4. Therefore, f plus gx, that is equal to 3x plus 4. Ito yung new function. 3x plus 4. Okay? Now, this one. Next. Dito naman, f minus g. So, that is the same. F of x minus g of x. Ang gagawin lang natin dito, Sir Javi, ang f of x daw, isubtract natin kang g of x. So, ang mangyayari, di ba yung f of x natin is x plus 5, tama? But be careful kayo guys kapag subtraction. Kasi, ang rule ng subtraction, i-change mo ang sign ng subtrahend. So, change the sign of subtrahend muna. So, maging negative 2x na yan. Ito maging positive 1. So, combine like terms, x minus 2x, that is negative x. Then 5 plus 1, that is 6. So, therefore, ang sagot natin, f minus gx, ang sagot natin, negative x plus 6. Okay? Ito yung sagot natin, negative x plus 6. Tama ba? Okay. Next. Ito is multiplication. Kapag close, di ba, close circle, that is multiplication. Kapag open circle, that is composite function. Mamaya, i-discuss ni Sir Javi kung paano mag-solve ng composite function. Now, dito, multiplication ito. So, it seems like f of x times g of x. So, ang value ni f of x, i-multiply natin kang g of x. Tama? So, ano yung value ni f of x? X plus 5 times g of x, 2x minus 1. So, distribute lang natin. X times 2x, that is 2x squared. X times negative 1, that is negative x. 5 times 2x, that is positive 10x. 5 times negative 1, that is negative 5. So, ang sagot natin dito, 2x squared, negative x plus 10x, that is na positive 9x minus 5. Therefore, ang sagot natin dito, this one, f times gx is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Diba? Napakadali lang nito, Sir Javi. Shake lang tayo dito, mga grade 11. Shake. Okay, this one. Dito kanina, guys. Diba, mayroon tayo kanina, f plus g ito. Pero x na dito. So, this is the same. Line kanina, for example, this one, this is the same, f of 3 plus g of 3. Like, distribute lang natin yan. So, ang mangyayari, guys, mayroon tayong 3, hindi na x. Therefore, di ba yung f of x natin is x plus 5, tama? So, 3 yung nakalagay dito, i-substitute natin ang 3 sa x. So, 3 plus 5. So, ang f of 3 natin is equal to 8. So, yung g of x naman natin, g of x is 2x minus 1. So, 3 yung nandyan, 3 na yan. Change natin yung x into 3. Substitute lang natin. So, 6 minus 1, that is 5. Pero, plus ito, so 8 plus 5, di ba? 8 plus 5, ang sagot natin is 13. That is one way technique. Okay? Ipapakita ni Sir Javi yung alternative technique natin. Another way, i-plus muna natin yung x plus 5. X plus 5 plus 2x minus 1. Di ba? Kung ano yan? 3x. 3x, then plus 5. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Dito, di ba, 3 yung, instead of x, 3 yung ating kuhan. Isubstitute natin yung 3 natin dito, plus 4. So, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4, that is simply 13. The same lang yung sagot, guys. Ganyan lang yung pag-solve kapag mayroon na siyang certain number, hindi na x. Okay? Now, next. Dito is f minus g, then 3. Ang gagawin natin, f of 3 minus g of 3. Okay? Ang gagawin lang natin, guys, napakadali lang na technique. I-substitute muna natin yung 3 sa f. Diba? 8. Okay? Ang g naman of 3, 2 times 3 minus 1. So, that is 2 times 3, 6 minus 1 is 5. So, 8 minus 5 kasi minus yan. So, that is 3. So, ang sagot natin dito is 3. O, tingnan natin yung another technique. Diba? X plus 5 minus 2x minus 1. Ito, change muna yung sign natin. Negative 2x, then positive 1. So, x minus negative 2x, that is simply negative x. Then, 5 plus 1, that is 6. O, tingnan natin. Diba, x, ang 3 natin, that is x. X is 3, then plus 6. So, negative 3 plus 6, that is the same, 3. Diba, the same lang yung sagot natin, the same lang, 3. Next. Ito, multiplication. Diba, times f of g times, that is the same with f of 3 times g of 3. Okay? Kanina, di ba kapag isubstitute natin yung 3 dito sa f of x, maging 8 na ito. Because 3 plus 5 is 8. Dito sa g of x, 3 na yan. 2 times 3, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Multiplication yan, 8 times 5, that is 40. Napakadali lang nito, Sir Javi. Napakadali lang talaga nito, Sir Javi. Ang sagot dito is 40. O, tingnan natin, another technique. X plus 5. Then, 2x minus 1. Ating multiply. Diba? 2x squared. Then, minus x plus 10x minus 5. So, ito, 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Ito yung ating new function, right? I-substitute natin dyan yung 3, Sir Javi. If that is equal, 40. So, 3 squared plus 9 times 3 minus 5. O, tingnan natin. 2 times 3 squared plus 9 times 3 minus 5. So, that's the same 40. Okay? Yan lang. Napakadali lang yan, Sir Javi. Okay. Next. Ito is division. Ang h divide g. So, ang gagawin natin, ang h of x, divide natin kang g of x. Diba yung h of x natin is, diba yung h of x natin is ito. 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 over yung g of x natin is 2x minus 1. Now, dito sa Javi, we can solve this one. Ito, mahirap talaga ito, especially kapag hindi ka math majors. hindi mo alam yung mga long division method na mayroong mga variable. Yeah. And of course, we can solve this one using synthetic division method and factoring. I-try natin, Sir Javi, kung pwede ba natin ma-factor yung 2x squared and negative 5. Okay? Pwede? Okay, pwede. So, ang gagawin natin, kasi guys, ang technique ni Sir Javi nito, gagamit tayo ng easy method. Okay? Ang gagawin lang natin, i-factor out natin yung numerator. Kung mayroon bang ma-eliminate. So, 2x squared, okay, atin muna itong i-factor out, minus 5. Kapag AC method, yung A and C, i-multiply natin, ito ba? Ito yung A natin, ito yung B, ito yung C. I-multiply lang natin yung A and C, 2 times negative 5, that is negative 10. So, x squared plus 9x, yung new constant natin is negative 10. Tama? Na pwede natin ito ma-factor out. Napakadali na lang nito. Then, x plus 10, tama? Then, x minus 1. Tama? Dahil ang gagawin natin dito sa Javi, di ba 2 yung original A, i-divide natin by 2. Okay, huwag kalimutan, i-divide yung 2. So, ang new factor natin, x plus 10 divided 2 is 5. Ito, kapag hindi ma-divide, 1 divide 2, di ba, hindi siya pwede ma-divide, ang gagawin lang natin, atin itong i-multiply yung 2 sa x. So, maging 2x na yan, minus 1. So, ito yung factored form. Ilagay natin yung denominator, 2x minus 1. Cancel out. Ang natira, x plus 5. Napakadali lang, Sir Javi. Dito. Diba? Kanina, x lang. Dito, meron ng 3. So, kapag x plus 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. Diba? O, tingnan natin. h of 3, g of 3, if that's 8. Diba? Yung h natin is 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 over 2x minus 1. Ang gagawin natin, ating i-substitute yung 3 natin dito. Okay, tingnan natin if ang sagot is the same lang, 8. Okay? Over 2 times 3 minus 1. Now, tingnan natin. 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 times 3. So, that is 40. Yung numerator natin, 40. Dito, 2 times 3 minus 1 is 5. O, 40 divide 5, o, the same lang, 8 ang sagot. Diba? 8 ang sagot, 8 ang sagot. Now, what if, Sir Javi, ganito? What if mayroon tayong composite function? Kasi mayroon pang isa, composite function. Example, mayroon tayong dito, f of g, then x. Diba kanina, Sir Javi, ito, closed circle? Kapag closed circle, that is multiplication. Kapag ito, open circle, that is composite function. That is equal to f, then g of x. Tama? Ipasok natin si g of x kang f of x. So, mangyayari, Sir Javi, di ba ang g of x natin 2x minus 1? Di ba mayroon tayong f of x, tama? Instead of f of x, ipasok natin si value ng g of x. Di ba ang value ni g of x 2x minus 1? So, ang x natin, i-change natin yan into 2x minus 1 plus 5. Okay? So, mangyayari, 2x minus 1 plus 5, ang sagot natin, 2x plus 4. Yung sagot natin, f of g, x is equal to 2x plus 4. Tama? Okay. How about, Sir Javi, ating i-change? For example, g of f, then x. So, this is the same with g, then f of x. Dito naman, ang value ni f of x, ipasok natin kang x, kang g of x. Okay, that is what we call composition of functions. Diba, g, then f of x. Diba, ang g of x natin is 2x. Itong x plus 5, ating isubstitute yan kang x. X plus 5 minus 1. So, distributive lang, 2x plus 10 minus 1. So, ang sagot natin dito, 2x plus 9. Therefore, ang g, f of x, then, ang sagot natin is 2x plus 9. Okay? Yun lang. Okay, yun lang muna. Operation of functions. Kung mayroon kayong katanungan, guys, siksik lang kayo dyan. Bahala kayo dyan. Okay.